Here's a law of attraction exercise that will help you create all possibilities in your life. Allow yourself to align with the true intentions you want to manifest into this world and earn a lot more money, have a lot more good things happen in your life, and allow yourself to ultimately manifest your goals and desires. Stay tuned. Hey, Scott Haug here, and today's video is going to be short, sweet, to the point, so you can get right at this exercise right away. Today's video is about making things possible for yourself, and sometimes we get really brought down by our limiting thoughts and ideas. You know, our limiting beliefs and limiting thoughts are really not even us. It's almost always from a parent, a guardian, the school system, movies, TV shows. It's all programming, and the limitations just aren't true. They seem to be true. Logically, they seem justifiable to have these limitations in our life, but they're simply not true when we know all things are possible. I'm a spiritual being living in this physical body. I can manifest the life of my dreams. This exercise I use a lot, and it allows me to start elevating my consciousness to the level it needs to be at in order to have my manifesting intentions and desires to actually come forth into my life physically, having those physical results. The question you want to ask yourself while you close your eyes is, what if I could? What if I could? What if I could? Now, naturally, when you close your eyes and speak this question out loud or within, I like to speak it out loud for the first couple of times and then within. What's going to happen is your mind is going to flip onto the frequency of entertaining mental images in your imagination of you experiencing the thing you desire. So the mind sometimes wants to say, you can't do that. You say, I want to manifest $20,000 this week. You can't do that. Where's the money going to come from? How's it going to happen, right? Those kinds of limitations plague our mind and our consciousness. But when you're talking about what if I could, and you're asking yourself that deliberate, intentional question, the thoughts and images that start resonating with that type of empowering question will start to form on your imagination. What if I could? You start seeing the images of, what if that money did come into my life? So you start seeing that in your imagination. What if I did have things happen? What if I could do this? And the more those images come on your mind more of the time, you're going to resolve some of that resistance, those limitations, and allow yourself to align with an idea that is ultimately on a higher frequency for you to manifest better into your life. So try this out every day. Just do it for 5 minutes. It's easy. If you don't have a lot of time or you procrastinate a lot, just start with 60 seconds. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in so you center yourself in this moment. Ask yourself, what if I could 3 times? What if I could? What if I could? What if I could? Try to deliberately see images. They should go on your screen of your mind right away, but see those deliberate images coming onto the screen of your imagination. See yourself in the possibilities. What if it was possible for me? What if I could do this? What would that look like? And allow those mental images and scenes to take place. Feel them, okay? You don't have to believe in them. You don't have to say, this is done deal, it's already done. Just feel that it's possible. And as you start feeling it's possible, you're going to release that resistance and allow your energy field to align more with the things that you do want. So anytime resistance is coming up, your mind's asking how it's going to happen or when's it going to come or any of those questions, come back to this. Relieve yourself from that resistance by forming thoughts of empowering questions. What if I could? What if I could work this problem out? What if everything did work out just fine? What if everything did come true the way I want it to? See those deliberate mental images, feel possibility, and allow yourself to be in that place. Now, try this out again. Try it for 7 days straight, though, so that you can get enough evidence of you shifting your frequency a lot more of your day. Now, if you do want to get some help on this, if you want to teach this style material, you want to be able to license all my content and everything and programs as well to bring to your clients, you can become one of our certified manifestation coaches. And that's like the best thing ever, because you're going to be fulfilling yourself of helping serve others, having a business that will create freedom for yourself and financial uncapped abilities, while mastering manifestation to the best you can. So all of these come in one certification. We help you build the business. We help you with how to get clients. We help you with how to coach people. We help you with basically A to Z, everything you ever possibly imagine. If you're interested in helping and teaching others this information, go in the description below and book a call with my team. Allow yourself to experience the possibility of possibly helping people with law of attraction, helping people with manifesting the life of their dreams, helping people with their mindset and personal development. Yes, this is a career path for you. If you're called forth to help people, you like helping people succeed, you like helping people with this knowledge, is a very positive career path that's possible for you. Link in the description below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you're notified when we send out other great information like this. But everything else aside, try this out. What if I could? What if it was possible for me? What if things did work out just fine? What if? Say a what if question in the positive realm, and then you'll allow that resistance to dissipate more. Allow yourself to ease into that alignment and see more of your intentions unfold. Scott Haug signing off here, and I look forward to seeing you over in the next video soon.